The first step is creating the curry paste, which is made up of onions, finely minced garlic, ginger, a piece of galangal, turmeric root, 2 candlenuts, as well as a teaspoon of ground coriander. Now we're going to blitz all this together until it's a creamy mixture, and then to make it nice and fragrant, we're going to saute that in a little bit of oil.
The onions are so strong. But this curry is going to be delicious.
Meanwhile, we're going to crisp up the tempeh in the air fryer. If you don't have an air fryer, no worries, you can do this in the oven. Now it's time to add in the Caribbean sweet potatoes along with salt and ground white pepper, plus the dried kaffir lime leaves. Then we're going to add in the crispy tempeh and pour all over the full-fat coconut milk. We're going to cover the skillet with the lid and let it simmer for about 7 minutes. Then we're going to add in the broccoli and continue simmering uncovered until the sauce is nice and thickened. Once the sweet potatoes are chopstick tender, you're going to go ahead and serve this over a big bowl of steamed rice.